Hey guys, it's Mr. Piri here, and we're starting a new story this week called Dogs, Helpful Companions. As I read, track with your finger. Dogs are animals that can do many things to help people. They can take care of sheep and cattle. Dogs can guard a house at night. Some dogs help people hunt wild birds. Dogs can warn people of danger and help find people who are missing. Dogs need a lot of exercise. They need an open area to run around. They also need a lot of food and water. They can cost a lot of money to take care of. They love to be pet and they love to play. Some dogs help blind people do things by being a seeing eye for them. In some cold countries, dogs help people by pulling sleds over the ice and snow. Dogs can learn to do tricks to make people smile and laugh. Dogs also are fun playmates for boys and girls. Dogs are helpful to people in so many ways. They are also good companions for people.